Hi everyone, we're doing a lot today for a Transit Connect 2009. So we have 4. So I'll come back a bit here. So it's going to be 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3. Awesome. 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 3. 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3. And there we go, we select this one. The weather's absolutely terrible today. On the full disclosure side of things, because I don't like lying when I do the jobs, basically I've had to repick the lock, and I've had to change one number, 2 numbers, I can't remember. I've had to change 2 numbers, so there's 3's on the end. I've had to change the first one to a 4. I'll splice this video back in once it's turning. Hey everyone, right, okay, so we cut the blade a couple of times and it turns lovely now. So now we are going to get the program in.
Okay, so at the end of this video, it's missing the programming part because I did have my glasses on. My hat covered them. I completely didn't realize. I'm still getting used to it, but thank you so much for following. There will be more and they will be better. I'm going to take you through the complete process of picking to cutting and programming on some vehicles. So if you do like, please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope everyone has a very good Christmas.